So, voices. What are they good for? Chatting, cheering, shouting, screaming, but most importantly, making music. Welcome back to another episode of Simply Savage Samples with me, 93 Acres, and today we're going to be recording from my granny's living room. This is actually the 93 acres that the 93 acres was named after, except the farm wasn't actually 93 acres. I thought it was, but it wasn't. So, yeah. So today we're going to be making a song full of voices. So beatboxing and putting in some crazy ad-libs that are definitely questionable, so I'll let you decide whether they're okay or not. Actually, let's get a taster of those ad-libs right now. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like, subscribe and bell notification button so you get to see more videos like this. I also stream over on Twitch on Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you want to ask me any questions or if you want to see more detail about these productions, that's the place to go. Links down below. Alright, let's get into it. I hope you enjoy the beautiful scenery around me. This is actually a curtain and now it's on a chair. I don't know. Anyway, here we go. Here are some Simply Savage samples made with only my voice. Transition in A. Okay, let's start with drum sounds. I feel like that could be fun. I'm no beatboxer. I think that's the first thing I need to say. I cannot beatbox. I think we'll go for a kind of 140 kind of dance tune. That's what I'm kind of feeling today. Actually, speaking of which, let's get the BPM up to 140. Okay, kicks are extremely hard to get right. Let's try and get a kick. Started doing a rhythm there. I gotta make them sound a little bit better. Let's try and do that. Did any of them sound good? Yeah, that one there is kind of something, right? Beatboxing's hard. So much more respect for beatboxers after trying to do this. Okay, let's see what we can do with this kick. Yeah, you're right. Definitely some EQ. Maybe we should bring it down an octave or something as well. So pitch shifter. How's that sound? That's not bad. That's not bad. Will we give it a bit of punchiness? Maybe just a saturator. So if we give it a saturator Saturn. Nice. There's our kick. That sounds pretty good. Yeah, sweet. Cut out all the highs. Sweet. Great shot. Whoa. It's interesting, isn't it? And I'll bounce it out and see how it sounds, and then we'll go from there. So Control B. Nice. All right, cool. We'll leave it there for a second. Let me try my typical snare. I'll go for it. That was sounding quite like a rim shot. I did a hi-hat accidentally. Let's keep our hi-hats. This is hilarious. Well, I just bounce these out. I feel like there's a limit to how stupid I'm willing to be. There's a limit to your love, your love, your love, your love. We gotta get another snare. What can I do? That was a pretty low one, wasn't it? So let's add that to these ones and then we'll try and... Yeah, maybe just a... How about that? Let me get rid of these ones as we go along. There's no need to have them. Okay, cool. Yeah, I should probably tie these up, just get things faded in. It's always important. Okay, here we go. Snare, rim, snare. They're a bit out of time, but we've talked about this before. We like having things slightly delayed, especially well, not necessarily delayed, just out of time. I'm thinking forward to the floor, if I'm honest. This tool, so if we get our marquee tool, command click, and then we command or. Beautiful. We just go forward to the floor and we'll just do snares in the 2 and 4, just like those dance songs. Oh yeah, we'll go with this. We'll go with this. Command or. And the kick could probably get a little bit more boost in it, just a wee bit. Now I'm starting to think, you see the way you can hear the note kind of comes down a little bit? Okay, those are snares and rims for the minute. Let's get a hi-hat, will we? I had this hi-hat. Will I sample it or will I just... I feel like I should sample it. So let's make a software instrument. Create quick sampler. Does exactly what it says in the tin. Drag it over here. Make this sample nice and short. Bring him over. Yeah. Let's drag this fella in here. We've got hi-hat. Lovely. Let me see if I can play in some of these. Now this... That kind of sounds like a shaker. When I hit that note, I was like, wow, that sounds really like a syncopated hi-hat. So I was like, all right, let's go for a syncopated hi-hat then. All right, syncopated hi-hats, I like being bang in time. What drums else? What other drums? Will I have a crash? Let's try a crash. How does that sound? Not good. Let's try again. Although, maybe if you brought it up so if we get our flex pitch, turn it to speed, and then when you shorten it, it will go up in pitch. What do you think about that? Is that all right? We'll see. So definitely with this crash, get rid of the low end and we're going to put lots of reverb and it's going to sound amazing. Definitely 100%. Let's bust these reverbs. Amazing. Let's make it around our head. So I'm going to put on a bit of microshift air. What do you think? Cool. I feel like I could do more crashes. Well, we do one more crash. Let's just do one more crash. I'm trying to give some natural reverb tail. Natural reverb tail on my own crashes. This is the day. And I said my mom is American Pie. What a tune. It's like a cat. It's really like a cat. I actually want to give this guy a huge amount of reverb. So I'm actually going to put him on the track. A little plate fella. And we're going to put a little bit of sidechain. Give it that little bounce. Yeah, that's better. Cool. Now we've got a bit of bounce. I'm actually jamming to that. All right, there's the drums. I'm feeling good about this. Okay, so a vocal sample. What are we going to sing about? Jason Derulo. I'm just going to make loops with vocals, okay? I make 2 bars, and then you can kind of have a loop. And all right, there's 1. So we'll grab these, just extend it out the other side. I love that about Logic, how it just keeps track of the rest of it so I can elongate it if I need to. So if I hit a bit more melody in here, it'll make me feel a little bit more emotional. I'll be able to sing something a little bit nicer. At least that's the plan. And then we'll actually EQ him as well. Actually, I want to do the same EQ, so if I get the thing up, bring him across. But I'm actually going to throw a Kickstart Nicky Romero plugin on him, sidechain. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's every second bar. Yes, I'm liking where this is going. Got a bit of tension in it. I might actually throw it up an octave because it'll get in the way. I think vocals will probably sit around those frequencies. This would be like a nice ambient intro. So I'm trying to make chords now with that melody. Okay, tune the vocal again. Stop it in time. Gotta put on the sidechain. Really miss my keyboard. Really miss it. Let me just move everything back a tiny bit. And that guy loops as well. Fade in and out. Free sidechain. Gonna make another kick track that's just even less high end. Okay, let's add more drums in now. Lovely. Very nice. Just get rid of some lows, get rid of the room noise, and make it explode up high. Really want it to explode. Just maybe I could just do a cha, and that can just add to the explosion of reverb there and that beat. Fade in and out. That's what it's all about. Scooby-Doo, I wanna be like you. That was really cool. Maybe just automate the EQ on this one. What do you think? Just in the kick. Yeah, like that kind of thing. Well, let's see if I can record it in. I wonder if I could just take the first one and loop it. Command T, delete that. How does this sound? What about if we just cut it in half again? Imagine a human doing that. That's so hard to do. Ooh. I think it stays in time as well, relatively, of course. It's just kind of like a shaker. Shaker. Could probably bring this shaker in as well in this half and then do something similar with the shaker original chorus verse. And we'll do the same thing here with the channel EQ, high cut, frequency, start it low and bring it up as we go along. Start it halfway. It sounds so annoying, doesn't it? Let's try and sing a lead vocal. That'd be good. Can we go for meet me at the corner club, baby? Socks and sandals could be out hating. Meet me at the corner club, baby. The socks and sandals could be out hating. See me at the corner, be out the night. Oh, it's fine. Why not? Sips of brandy, beating. Then on the fine. I don't know why I fight. I think that's like an Arctic Monkey shout out. Articles monkeys. We'll give it a go. So meet me at the corner club, baby. The socks and sandals clubbing off hating. Sips of shiny brownie binning. So go on your mind, been on your fight. I feel like the end should have me. And then an explosion. Sounds crazy. That's definitely my favorite bit. All right, now we can sing this. We're good to go. I'll let it run out at the end. Meet me at the corner club, baby. The Socks and Santas clubbing out, hating. Sips of shandy, brandy been in. So go on, you might. Not good to fight it. Absolutely done so. Let's try and get a post-chorus here. Go on, you might. Go on, you might. Not good to fight. Not good to fight. So go on, you might. Not good to fight it. We'll double that. So go on, you might. Not good to fight it. Ooh. I should do an end now there. Go on, one more. How many vocals can you do? Actually, if I do a harmony to that. Go on, you might. Go on, you might. Go on, you might. Go on, you might. That was definitely the worst one so far. I like the harmony bit though. Now, that's perfect. Sounds amazing. Amazing. I think this is one of those things, whenever you start doing vocals, you have to like triple, quadruple track them. Lots of reverb and lots of delay. Okay, reverb, 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 and some delay as well. Nice, we're getting there, aren't we? Few reverbs and you're nearly there. Let's just do a harmony on this last bit. All right. Now, ladies, yeah, give me some sugar. If in doubt, tune it out. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's actually not too bad. It needs more ad-libs though. Let's just throw in some ad-libs and we're done so. Hey! Meet me at the corner club, baby. Socks and sandals. Shady Bros. Go on. Not good to fight it. I've lost my mind, as you can clearly see. I'm like shouting obscenities. Oh, no one knows what it means, but it's provocative. I actually think it kind of works in places. Let me try one more. Yeah, I think some of them are awful and some of them kind of work. Hey! Meet me at the corner club, baby. I know I was doing that kind of half jokingly, but do you see how much more energy is in the track now because I'm shouting obscenities behind it in just a random shouty voice? Okay, let's have a listen. We gotta listen. Here we go. Woo! Let's listen. Track only made with my voice sounds. Right here, right now. Right here, right now. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Meet me at the corner club, baby. The Socks and Santas clubbing out, hating. Sips of shandy, brandy been in. So go on, you might. Not good to fight it. Meet me at the corner club, baby. The Socks and Santas clubbing out, hating. Sips of shandy, brandy been in. So go on, you might. Not good to fight it. Meet me at the corner club, baby. The Socks and Santas clubbing out, hating. Sips of shandy, brandy been in. So go on, you might. Not good to fight it. Go on, you might. 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 Go on. So go on, you might. Not good to fight it. Okay, that didn't go exactly where I expected it to. Hopefully it was okay, and maybe even learned something from it. Thanks for hanging out in my granny's house. Hope you're keeping well. Best of luck with the music making. Cheers. Go on, so go on, you might. Not good to fight it. Yeah, let's stop there. I think that's fine. Thank you. Welcome to the 93 Acres.